As you can see here, we're going to talk about planning software. And in this case, we're going to talk about a specific type of planning software that I'm familiar with, which is called Depiction. We've got the website here so you can go over and look at it in detail for yourself. This type of software is very useful if you're going to be creating a disaster plan. This is Depiction. It is a map, simulate, collaborate, decide type of software. It helps you look at options that are available to you. You can see the resources that are around you, look at the infrastructure. It comes with built-in information so that all this stuff is available to you. You can simply plot it out for your geographical area and start your preparations by knowing what resources are available. Here are some of the things you can use Depiction to do. Discovering opportunities that are available to you, exploring alternative routes and means and processes, scenario planning, trying to sort out what you're going to do, shared awareness, clutter-free insights, and visual logistics. All of these things are available to you. The reason I like this software is that it comes with a free reader, as you can see here. The reader allows you to access other people's depictions without having to buy their software. If this is used by a lot of governments, a lot of agencies, and a lot of private groups, they will create a depiction, which if you have the free reader, you can log in and you can access the depiction and see what they're planning. You can also use this if you're a group of people, you want to plan, to do disaster planning as a group. One person can buy the Depiction software, the other simply can access the free reader, and you can see what that person was planning and what you've all put together in terms of your software. This is really great software if you're going to use it. If you need to use software for planning, or if you have the availability to do that, it will help you a great deal.